already, you know that I love to thrift. So for my bridesmaids gifts, I have done like curated thrifted bundles for each of them. Over the past year, I've been like trying to find clothes that I think they would love and packaging little bundles together. So we're gonna start with Jessamine. Jessamine was probably the easiest because we have very similar style. I got her this Sadie, I think it's Sadie and Sage blue floral like puffy sleeve dress. It has the tags on. I got her a For Love and Lemons dress. It has cherries on, it ties at the front, cute little frilly sleeves, like she's gonna look really nice in that. This Urban Outfitters plaid mini skirt. She owns platform Converse, so I was thinking those with like a oversized t-shirt would be a really nice outfit. And I also got her this Abercrombie & Fitch cinched crop top. Ordered these really cute personalized tote bags from Etsy. They're like cream with blue handles, and I got their initials embroidered on, but they still haven't arrived, and my bachelorette is tomorrow, so I am packaging them in like just little brown bags for now, and I'm hoping they can either get here tomorrow to switch over, or I'll just have to give them to them after. And then I made little personalized cards to put on top. Next up is Alex. I got Alex a Reformation midi dress. It's like v-neck, really nice, beautiful green color. She wears this color a lot, so I think she'll like that. I got her this Aritzia black turtleneck mini dress. She's a hairdresser, so I thought that would be nice for work. Like any season, you could even wear it with tights. This Urban Outfitters like lightweight knit crop top, and then these Aritzia overalls. Next up is Becca. I got her this American Eagle like frilly tiered mini dress. I thought it was like really like Love Shack fancy vibes. I think she'll look really pretty in that. This oversized Urban Outfitters like waffle sweater. This Smash and Tess jumpsuit. It's v-neck. She works from home, so I think she'll get a lot of good use out of that. I have one of these too, and they are the comfiest jumpsuits ever. And then this airy, oversized striped sweater. I thought this like on the beach in the summer would be really, really pretty. Next up is Harriet. Harriet is my fellow British friend. We moved to Canada at similar ages, so we just get along like a house on fire. We're so similar. I got her this Aritzia like black basic mini dress. This Free People cardigan. It's sheer with cute little stars. This Urban Outfitters mini dress. It's floral and it has like a little tie at the front. I think she'll look really cute in that. And then also a Abercrombie & Fitch cropped like halter top. It's really similar to the Aritzia one. Next is Maya. Maya is like my most outdoorsy friend. She lives in Victoria in BC, and she has 3 dogs that she's always out with. So I got her this Hunter waterproof like sleeveless vest. I feel like she'll get a lot of good use out of that. This oversized tie-dye hoodie. This paisley print midi dress. I think that will look stunning on her with some like little black platform sandals. And a North Face sweater. Next is Ivy. She lives in LA, so I got her a couple of summer dresses. This is like a stretchy Urban Outfitters cute one with like a little striped hem. This Free People one, it's a cute little cowl neck floral print mini dress. This For Love and Lemons cardigan. I love this so much. It has cute little lace trim. This I feel like with this will be adorable. And then I also got her this like oversized Aritzia crew neck top. She's been wearing a lot of oversized stuff lately, so I feel like she'll like that. Next is Nicole. Nicole is a teacher, so I saw this Oakenfort sweater vest, and I feel like she'll really like that for work. I got her this Urban Outfitters plaid mini dress. This even with like tights and like a cute little black t-shirt underneath, I think would be nice. I got her this like oversized Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt. She wears a lot of oversized t-shirts, so I think she'll like that. And she also mentioned that she's going to a wedding this summer and she doesn't have a dress for it. So when I saw this, it's Gypsies and Moon Dust, I feel like gives her an option if she wants it. It's really pretty off the shoulder. And last but not least is Brenna. Brenna is like the kindest human you would ever meet. I love her so much. I got her this American Eagle striped crew neck sweater. That'll be really nice on her. She loves just comfy clothing. I posted a picture when I found this like a year ago, and she was like, oh my god, I love that so much. So I set it aside for her. It's like just a cardigan. I got her this flowy Urban Outfitters long sleeve floral dress, and then this Aritzia merino wool jacket. It's just like open style. I think she will like that a lot. And that is everything. I really hope that they love everything. I'm giving it to them this weekend at my bachelorette, so fingers crossed. I think it's just a nice way to like get a gift that's a bit more personal to each and every one of them. But yeah, hope you enjoy.